Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I am about to travel, and I got this new winter unboxing, Coolife bags. Now you can take a look, and it's so easy to use, so comfortable, and carry-on size. Let's see. See, this is the size. And let me roll it down a little bit so that you can see clearly. So easy to move around and carry on and carry like this, and inside the bag. A little bag inside, and this bag, and carry if I'm lazy enough. Now I can put this one into this hole, this one into this hole, so when you travel you need as much as possible your hands, right? And you can carry like this. What do you think? And even better, that's it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.